Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Entitled Lady Finally Gets What She Deserves. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about, man. Let's do it, man. Hold on.
Watch these two women escalate a routine arrest into total chaos.
I don't have anything.
I'm gonna tell you one thing. Put your hands behind your back.
No, don't touch me. I don't have
I'm gonna
nothing.
tase you. I'm gonna tase
No,
you.
I don't got nothing.
Put your hands behind your
You
back.
came all the way up here.
No,
I don't have anything.
Put your hands behind your back now, or I'm
No,
gonna tase
I'm not putting my hands behind my
your
back.
hands behind your back now, or I'm gonna tase you.
No. I don't have anything.
Put your
I ain't gonna lie. That build is kind of crazy to be showing, to be having a skirt or shorts that high up. That's a crazy build. This build is crazy. So to have these shorts here is just, yeah.
hands behind your back, or I'm gonna tase you.
No.
Say that again.
What you want?
Listen, you're being detained right now
Being detained for what?
because you just came from Dollar General.
No, no, sir. I just came from Dollar General and I was returning something.
Like I said,
I was returning this, sir.
put your hands behind your back.
I'm not putting my hands behind my back.
If you resist, you're gonna get another charge.
No, don't touch me. Do not touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I'm gonna
Don't touch me.
one more time.
Don't touch me. Okay, go to that house right now.
If you walk
I did not come from no Dollar General. Okay, I didn't come.
said you
No,
just
I didn't come from Dollar General.
just said you
No,
did.
I didn't.
You just said you did.
I just
You
walked down the
lying.
street. I didn't come from
You
Dollar
lying.
General.
I'll tell you again. Camera show.
No, I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing. No, I don't have nothing. Don't walk up on me.
I'm gonna tell you again.
I don't have anything. I didn't come from Dollar General.
You resist.
Okay, can you call another police? I live right there. I didn't go anywhere. No, I don't have anything. No, I'm not putting my hands behind my back. Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Come here.
Don't touch me!
Come here.
Don't touch me!
Here.
Don't touch me!
Resist.
Don't touch me!
Resist.
Don't touch me!
Resist.
Don't touch me! I don't have anything! Do not, excuse me!
Do not resist.
Excuse me, sir!
Do not resist.
You can go in the house and get that man right there. I don't have anything!
Thank you.
Excuse me!
13 Alpha 32. I have one black female detained.
Excuse me!
You can make this a lot
I don't
easier.
have anything. No, I didn't just come from Dollar General.
You
Hey! Excuse me! Excuse me! Don't knock on the door! Excuse me!
Like I said,
Excuse me, sir. Can you go knock on the door? Can you go knock on the door? Excuse me! Can you knock on the door? Right there!
let go.
Excuse me!
Let go.
No!
Let go.
Can you knock on the door? No! Can you knock on the door right now? I don't have nothing. Go knock on that door right there.
13 Alpha 32 to 42.
I don't have nothing. No, I don't have nothing. Do not touch me. No, I didn't do anything. Don't touch me. I don't have anything. I don't have anything. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I'm not going nowhere. I didn't come from no Dollar General. I just was walking down the street.
Stole from the store.
I didn't go to Dollar General. No, I'm not going nowhere.
Me to the car.
No, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I don't have nothing. I don't got nothing from Dollar General.
It's gonna be on the 65. Go ahead and sit.
I don't have anything, no. No, I don't have nothing, sir. No, I don't got nothing.
Go ahead and go inside.
Excuse me, can you go get that man from right there?
Ma'am, listen.
No, I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing.
Listen, you're making it harder.
Excuse me.
Nobody's gonna help you.
Can you go down the street and get that man? I don't have nothing. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Go inside.
No, don't touch me. Don't touch me. No, no, no. No, call the real police. No.
Go inside.
No, call the real police. No, call the police. No.
You're making it harder on yourself.
No.
Making it harder on yourself.
I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing.
Listen, you just said that
I don't have. No, I didn't come from the Dollar General.
you're gonna get more charges.
No, I didn't come from no Dollar General. No. Call the real police. I stayed right there. I didn't do nothing. I didn't come from no Dollar General.
inside.
No, no, no.
Go inside. I'm asking you nicely. Go inside.
I didn't come from Dollar General.
Ma'am.
I was just walking down the street.
Ma'am.
No, excuse me.
Okay.
Can you call the real police?
I'm asking you to go inside.
Can you call the real police?
I'm asking you to go
Call the
inside.
real police.
I'm asking you to go inside. Very nicely.
No, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I'm asking you.
I don't have anything. Don't touch
I'm
me.
asking you real nicely to go inside.
Andre!
Okay. You're gonna go inside. Come on.
Andre!
Come on. Go inside.
Andre!
Go inside.
Andre!
Thank you.
She was charged with petty theft, but that was nothing compared to this case.
Behind your back, didn't do that thing!
Hello.
Window doesn't.
What's that?
My window doesn't close.
Okay. All right. Is this your vehicle? Yes. Okay. You're the registered owner. Okay. Do you have a driver's license, insurance, and registration? Is there anybody else in the car with you, or?
No.
I can't see back here.
No, it's just my baby's car seat.
Okay. Is the baby in the car right now?
No, why am I being pulled over?
So your license is suspended. Okay. Did you know that your license was suspended, or?
No, but I've been having worries about it
Okay.
because I kind of fell behind, like with insurance and stuff.
Okay. So do you have insurance on the vehicle right now, or?
It's probably lapsed. I'm not sure exactly.
Okay.
I've just been going through some things. Just recently had a baby.
Okay. Do you have the registration for the car?
I should.
Okay. So I'm also getting odor of burned marijuana coming from the vehicle. Did you just smoke in the car?
No, but like when I'm on my free time, sometimes I smoke like in the car, but I'm a medical marijuana patient.
Okay. Is there any marijuana in the car right now?
Just edibles.
Just edibles? Okay. Because I can smell burned marijuana. Okay. When was the last time you smoked in the car?
Smoke in here probably like several days ago. My car is just dirty, as you can see.
Okay.
But no, I didn't just smoke. You can smell my fingers.
And you said it's just you in the car right now?
Yeah.
Just you in the car, correct? Do you have a baby in the car at all, or? Okay, because I see the car seat there. Okay.
I never understood why. I'm not a smoker, so I don't know, but friends smoke. I know it's common nowadays. You know what I mean? It's very common. Shoot, the younger generation, like at least my age and younger, I'll probably even say 35 and younger. Like everybody smoke. Like it's very common. I never really understood why people smoke in their vehicles though, or hot box and stuff like that. I don't understand why that's cool. I don't understand why people do that, because I feel like, if you're going to do it at your home, at somebody else's crib or whatever, or, whatever, you could duck off in the woods or in a park or something, somewhere more secluded or whatever, where you're probably not going to get caught and, smoke up or whatever the case may be. But doing it in your car, to me, is one of the dumbest things, because that's the number one go-to. Whether you got a card or not or whatever, even if you got a car, you can't be driving and impaired. Like it's like drinking and driving. It's the same, it's similar, so I never understood why people do that, because if let's say you blow a yellow light or a stop sign, or you forget to use your turn signal, whatever, or you're speeding a little bit, whatever the reason is that you're getting pulled over for, they smell that, they're gonna search your car, and they got probable cause to search your car. So I don't know why people do that. Why you guys that smoke? Some of you guys listen. I know I got some smokers in here. All right, I know I got some smokers. Let me know in the comment section, why do you smoke in the car? Let me know, because I'm very curious.
Wait here for a minute.
Literally, I'm going to pick up the rest of her stuff, but this is the playpen. Like,
Okay.
it's kind of like not a good time to be getting pulled over right now.
Okay. All right. Just hang tight here for a minute for me. All right. What's your first name?
Bonnie.
What is it?
Bonnie.
Bonnie. All right, Bonnie. I'm just gonna have you step out, okay? Like I said, I can smell burned marijuana coming from the inside of your car. It doesn't matter. You cannot smoke inside of the vehicle, okay? You just admitted to me that you did smoke inside of the vehicle. You just said that to me.
No, ma'am.
And you just showed me roaches.
This is not a roach.
Okay.
This is paper.
Okay? You just showed me in the middle of the vehicle what you have, okay? So I just need you to do me a favor, just step out of the car for me.
Treat me like a regular person.
I am treating you like a regular person. I treat everybody the same, ma'am.
I don't have time for that. Like,
Okay. I just need you to step out of the car for me, okay?
Like, I can make a video right now. There's no smoking.
Ma'am, I just need you to step out of the car for me, okay? I have the odor of burned marijuana coming from inside of the vehicle. Okay? You cannot smoke inside of the vehicle, even with the medical marijuana card.
Only edible.
Okay. All right, that's fine. I just need you to step out of the car for me.
You can clearly see it. I'm not smoking. There's no smoke coming out of the car.
I just need you to step out for me. I'm not trying you. What does that even mean?
Meaning that you're trying me, trying to stay down.
I'm not trying you, ma'am. I'm just asking you to step out of the vehicle.
When you came to the car, I was being very open and honest with you.
That's fine. I appreciate that.
Everything.
That's fine. I appreciate that. I just need you to step out of the car for me.
That's why they talk about y'all.
Just put your stuff back down for me over here, please.
There's nothing to put down.
I need you to just put your things back down.
I'm not putting my phone down.
I need you to. You can have your phone. You can have your phone, but I just need you to put your wallet down for me.
This is my personal.
Okay, I understand that. I just need you to put your wallet down for me. Thank you.
For what? Why are you
You're gonna go in handcuffs, and I'm trying to be nice to you.
For what?
Because you're not allowing me to do my job.
I literally, you pulled me over.
You're not allowing me to do my job. Are you gonna give me the wallet or not?
What do you need my wallet for?
Because the wallet
if it was in my pocket, then what?
Okay.
Here, take the fucking wallet.
146 dispatch. Can I get another unit here, please? 1774.
Nothing.
Just do me a favor. Do me a favor. All right, you're not under arrest, but I need you to put your hands behind your back right now. Okay. Listen to me. Don't resist.
I'm not resisting.
Don't resist. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not resisting.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not resisting.
Put your hands behind your back.
Why are you trying me?
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not resisting.
Ma'am,
I'm not
tensing
resisting.
up. Please.
I'm not
Stop.
resisting.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
I cannot hold you. You're resisting right now. Go against the car, please.
I'm not.
Why are you acting like this? Stop.
Because look at what you're doing.
Can you please stop?
I didn't do nothing.
Ma'am, stop.
I didn't do nothing. What is wrong with you?
Put your hands behind your back and knock it off.
No. I didn't do nothing.
Stop.
I don't need to be.
I didn't do nothing. Oh boy. Here we go. Here we go. You didn't do anything. License is suspended. Most likely got no insurance on the vehicle. The smell of marijuana. What do you mean? And then it doesn't matter if you're open and honest or whatever the case may be. It really don't. Once she said the smell of marijuana, it's a wrap. It's really a wrap. You're cooked. You were cooked anyway because you're driving with a suspended license. Period. Like, you know what I'm saying? You're done. You know you was going regardless.
Handcuffs.
Put your hands
I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
I'm not
I didn't do nothing.
Put your hands behind your back.
I didn't do nothing.
Put your hands behind your back.
Take her to the ground, man.
146 dispatch. Can you
Oh, we don't want to hear that crying.
I have one female resisting.
I didn't
Put your hands behind your back.
I didn't do nothing.
Put your hands behind your back.
I didn't do nothing.
Put your hands behind your back.
I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. I didn't like
Put your hands behind your back.
I didn't do nothing.
Put your hands behind your back.
I didn't do nothing.
I do not want to have to drop you on the floor.
I'm not resisting. I didn't do nothing.
Put your hands
I
behind your
didn't
back.
do nothing.
Put your hands behind your back.
Trying to say I'm smoking.
Put your hands
I'm not
behind your back.
resisting, but not putting your hands behind your back. Come on, man.
Put your hands behind your back. Knock it off.
I'm not doing shit, bitch. You're the one who's touching me. Get the fuck out of me. I'm not doing nothing. I didn't even do nothing. She pulled me over saying that it's possible.
Put your hands behind your back.
And then she asked me
Put
to
your
find my
hands
wallet.
behind your
I
back.
put your fucking behind my back. Give me my phone. What are you guys doing? Where you at? Where you at? I didn't do nothing. Where you at? That's why they say y'all people are nasty. Y'all fucking people are nasty. I didn't do shit to y'all. Where you at? I'm at the bank.
You alright?
Yeah.
What bank?
Okay, clear.
I didn't do nothing.
Bring her over here.
And this lady's just got
Okay,
some
well,
stuff
now
up her
you're going
ass.
for resisting because you should have just
I
did what I
didn't
told you
do
to do.
nothing.
Just put her over here. It's fine.
do nothing. I have to go get my baby. She's trying to say that I smoked. I didn't even smoke. Smell my hand. There's nothing in my pockets, right? Search for what all she did was ask for my wallet. I'm a medical marijuana patient. I was not smoking. All she said was that my license is suspended.
Get on this side.
Okay. What are you doing? She just pulled me over for having a suspended license, and then she tried to say that I was smoking marijuana. I said, no, I'm a patient. I said, from time to time when I'm home and I'm free, I might smoke outside my car or
Just let go
something.
of this arm just a little bit. Thank you.
Who's on the phone?
Father of my baby. No. I fucking hate you. I really do. Like, I'm already dealing with.
I tried to.
You didn't try to do nothing but be a problem. I asked you to
It's
treat
all on
me.
camera.
I treated you.
You can get in the car,
Man,
please.
forget you, bruh. Forget you. I fucking hate you. I told you to
When
treat
you
me
calm
like a
down,
regular person.
I tried.
And you did.
Yes, I did.
You lied on me.
Yes, I did.
She lied on me, bro. She lied on me. I'm already going through stuff. A DCF case for my kids. Not legal, but a DCF case. I didn't do nothing wrong. She said I might have a suspended license.
I don't know what's going on.
I said, okay. And she's trying to say I smoked. Smell my hands. I did not smoke. I got 4 kids. I just had a baby.
To talk to you or no?
I just had a baby.
Okay.
And I am
When you calm down, I'll come back.
She was charged with driving while license suspended, other violation financial responsibility, resisting an officer in possession of drug.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.